Today we will see about the Student Undergraduate Research Graduate Excellence Search Program at IIT Kanpur. The Indian Institute of Technology IIT Kanpur invites application for the Search 2021 program. Duration of the program is approximately 10 weeks and the starting date of the Search program is 14th June 2021 and the last date is 22nd August 2021. An award plus accommodation certificate is given to those search students who produce exceptional quality research during the period. Now let's see from where funding will become. First is funding from the Search Institute funded. Student working under the funding from the Search only at IIT Kanpur was stipend of rupees 12,500 for 8 weeks duration. Second is funding from IIT Kanpur project, that is project funded, and this will provide an opportunity to students to work on projects which will be funded by the faculty members of the IIT Kanpur. Third one is a self-funded. This provides an opportunity to the students to work on projects of a faculty member of IIT Kanpur but would not be receiving any funding at all. And fourth one is a industry IIT Kanpur tie-ups. This will provide an opportunity to the students as individual or in teams to work on a real world project proposed by the industry with mentors from both IIT Kanpur and the industry. The student stipend is to be paid by the industry. In Search 2021, only IIT Kanpur students can participate under industry IIT Kanpur tie-ups. So let's see what are the eligibility criteria for the search. First one is a search for non-IIT Kanpur students. Under this program, non-IIT Kanpur students will be eligible to apply for the summer program at IIT Kanpur. This year, search is open for the all colleges. The eligibility criteria for non-IIT Kanpur students at the time of the starting internship are here: BTech, Bachelor of Engineering, Bachelor of Architecture, and BS third year completed students can be applied for the internship. 5-year degree program from which third year completed or fourth year completed will be applicable for the eligibility criteria. BSc students, MSc student whose second year completed and whose first year completed. Now let's see what items to be ready before filling the online application form. First one is a recent passport size photograph. Second is a single file in PDF not more than 3 MB containing. Third is a research proposal not more than 500 words. Fourth is a current transcript. 2 recommendation letter. Yeah, that's all. There is no fixed format for the recommendation letter under this category, but the letter should be on the applicant's institute letterhead or the respective faculty member's letterhead undersigned by the concerned faculty member who is familiar with the academic work. Search office will directly contact the recommenders for verification of the recommender letter. Now let's see how to apply for this internship. Candidate interested to apply for this internship need to pay an application fee of rupees 500, and that is only for IIT, not for non-IIT Kanpur students using SBI Collect. The last date for this internship is 22nd February 2021. So please hurry up and apply for this internship. That's all for the video.